Alright, this is the kit I'm going to be using for this tutorial, and it's actually called Hollywood Coils Solution Kit. The first thing you get when you open up the pack, you see it after you open the kit, is the cold wave cream. Next is the cold wave lotion, and next is the coil neutralizer. Next is the gel coils, and then the shampoo. All of this you find in the pack, and they all come in sachets instead of the usual bottles that they usually come in. Is the shower cap that comes in the kit pack, so I'm also going to be using the shower cap as well. So make sure that you get all these products intact in the kit. Okay, for this process you do not need to use any other relax. You have to, it's compulsory for you to use this particular relax, because the roller stays firm, that after rolling the hair and also washing it stays firm. This roller comes in different sizes, and it all depends on the type of coils you want to achieve at the end of the day. If you want a loose coil, you get a big rollers, and if you want well-defined coils, you get a smaller roller. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this particular one, because it's different from the usual one I used to use here on this channel. So they all come in sachets, and they reduce the quantity of the product as well. So I advise that you watch the video, just stick around, watch the video from the beginning to the end, so that you don't get to miss any single step. The first thing to do for this product, that's if you are using this particular product, is just to wash your client's hair using the shampoo that comes with the kit. And then after washing, do not apply conditioner. You just go ahead to use hand dryer to dry the hair. Moving on, you start applying the coil cold wave cream. While applying, I'm also massaging the hair so that the product can penetrate through the hair. And remember that this can only be done on natural hair. That's this, using this product or achieving this hairstyle can only be done on natural hair. If you have a relaxed hair, it will not work. Like, you just waste the product. And to apply the cold wave cream on our hair, I'm going to be dividing the hair into like 3 different portions. And the reason why I section the hair into 3 different portions is because of easy application. Then we'll gradually comb the hair, that's comb everything into one portion. While I am applying it, we'll gradually comb all the hairs into one portion.
Another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I learned to see and to breathe, and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Let's with another chance.
After the first application, I'm going to wait for like 15 minutes and then comb out the old product like so. Then I'll start applying a new product on it as well before coiling. So like I said before, you can only use this particular rollers for this hair. That's to achieve this hairstyle. That's the only way you can get the same result. And to roll the hair, or for the rolling of the hair, I'm rolling it in small sections, like so, little sections, so that the coils can come out looking really tiny. So I ended up using about 5 packs of the rollers. But if you have like full hairs, you need to use like either 6 or 7 packs of the rollers. But for her hair is not so full, so that's why I was able to use 5 packs of the rollers. And to roll the hair, I just part it into little portions, and then I take the hair from the tip. We roll from the tip of the hair. We'll start rolling. Once I get to the root of the hair, I'm just going to take the strap that came with the rollers to just lock it down, so it's going to stay firm even while I wash the hair, because I'm going to wash the hair with the rollers. Even while I wash the hair, I apply every other product I'm going to be applying afterwards. It's going to stay firm like this until I eventually unravel it. So like I said before, while I'm rolling the hair, I'm making sure that it's so firm so that when I'm washing it, it doesn't loosen. So yeah, of course, I'm rolling the hair with the product I applied initially. This is for this particular product, or for this particular kit, the Hollywood kit. But when you are using any other kit, the application process is totally different from Hollywood. You can go ahead to check my other videos on this particular hairstyle just to know the different ways to do this hairstyle or to achieve this hairstyle. So these products can actually make your hands feel so sleepy. So while doing this, you just have to be strategic so that you don't mess around with the coils or the rollers as well. You don't want to improvise, and for this same reason you need to be rolling the hair in small quantity, no matter how full the hair is, just so that you can get like tiny coils. The rolling method and the rollers can either make or break the hairstyle, so you have to be careful when it comes to this. Especially if it's your first time. Just take your time to roll the hair, and this rolling can actually take like let's say 30 minutes. That's if you are fast. If you are not fast, you will actually have to spend more time on the hair, because if you are new to this, your hands will be slippery and you will be struggling with rolling the hair. So but if you are already an OG, like if you are used to this, it will take you like 30 minutes thereabout, or 25 minutes to roll the hair in tiny sections just to get a good coils. So tiny from the tip to the root of the hair, and then I'll go ahead to secure it firmly or tight with the rubber or the strap that came with the rollers. It's very important. That securing is very important as well. Blessed with another chance, blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance, I'm blessed with another chance, blessed with another chance, I am, and every day always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Like la 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 la, my enemies I'ma say bye bye. Energy. Moving on, after rolling, I will just go ahead to apply Koi Cold Wave Lotion. I'm using a spray bottle to do this, to apply this product on her hair. It actually helps the product to penetrate all over the rollers and all over the hair, so that so that you can get a better result. And then after that, we'll go ahead to use a shower cap to cover the hair, and then leave the hair for about 10 minutes or more, depending on the hair texture. After the wait, we'll just go ahead to wash the hair with water, just water, no shampoo. Just wash the hair. Like I said before, no shampoo. So we wash the hair with the rollers on the hair. And while washing, you have to be gentle, like you do it gradually, because any mistake from here can either make or break the hair as well, the style of the hair as well. So you just wash the hair gradually. I know he loves me, so I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance. After washing or rinsing out the cold coil wave cream, we'll just go ahead to spray the neutralizer on the hair, just to neutralize every other extra chemicals or product that is on the hair. Like I said before, I'm using a spray bottle because I want the product to penetrate all over the hair, and then I will allow it to sit for like 5 minutes and then go ahead to rinse
Blessed
it
with
as
another
well.
chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance.
Moving on, after that, I will rinse it off. We'll rinse the neutralizer off with just water. So you can either use a warm water or a cold water, but just make sure it's not so hot, just warm water. Next, I will just go ahead to unravel the rollers. I will do this gradually, and note that all steps are very important. All steps, the process of making this hair, they are all important. So do not skip any of the steps.
Another chance. I am blessed. 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 I am. I am. I am blessed. 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 I am. I am. I am blessed. This can't be my forever, no. This can't be my forever, no. And I know they don't see what I see. Prayed on my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease, oh. And I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. I pray for a new song, new day, new life, new season. Pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find hope, find strength, find freedom. I pray, yeah.
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be.
And then after losing off the rollers, go ahead to apply gel cream. This gel cream comes with a kit. You can use your own gel cream, especially if it's a white cream, but this particular hairstyle actually has its own gel cream, so you can go ahead to buy a gel cream, like an external gel cream, because you'll be using it subsequently just to style the hair. So but for this, I'm using the one that comes with a kit. So now you can go ahead to style the hair the way you want to style it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to style the hair the way my client wants it.
My forever. No. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season. Maybe that's
So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys too, and I know like I've been messing up this year. But yeah, I am now consistent. Like I'll start uploading videos back to back every week, at least one video every week. Be sure to get that from me, and I'm very sure that the videos are going to come very detailed, new hairstyles, and I'm sure you are going to be inspired from this channel moving forward from here. So do not forget to share the video Also subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't get to miss it anytime I upload a new video. Leave a comment in the comment section to tell me what you think about this particular hairstyle, if you are going to try it or not. And if you have any other question on this hairstyle, like if it's going to break your hair, if it's not going to break the hair, just let me know in the comment section as well, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.